So before I went to T Park, I met one of my uncles, he named Michael. Well, I don't really say met him because I know him. It's just that he kind of scarce from the family. You know, really, I don't know. From the mermaid thing, I'm not go on my picnic. If me just need to make my grandmother come here one night. But anyways, he always be odd one out. Then kind of didn't want to demonize him, look down upon him like I did for him fault. It could happen to me too. I mean, I was handsome. Still fine as fuck. Yes. Yeah. Still, it could have happened to me too. I mean, I'm fine as fuck. Then could have captured me too. But anyways. So I tell you what no. So him tell me say when him did a bad as a little boy, right? Dimple used to hunt him. So him decide say if you run with so long and you know a whole heap of lick him get, he need to come home for a while. Say I sleep in a whole abandoned house up on place named Geisel in Allenstead. We Bunty always come keep it bossy sing them up at Annex Plaza up at Geisel. So I know say yo, he must sleep in a whole abandoned house up on a half-root bush place. So he say he must sleep one night, you know. And in the day of sleep, so in dreams, see be people up look for him. Well, serious. Cause Duppy they live in the house and he gone in the gone up all boys to sleep to cover people in place. So no say dog in there while I sleep. And he must sleep and him need a pain of mind people are dream him. So his friend they always come, they can link him up because they know say Dimple. I go smack the shit out of him. Even though them class, if they see him, even when they were just a left from there, I go up there, they must say no. So them ask him if they see Michael, they say no. So then, but they up there, them I go anyways. And them play for a ball and them and they see Michael every day. So Michael up there.
It's a wicked boy.
So Michael up there, you know. He Duppy thing I get serious, I'm telling his friend them. So he start tell me say, yo boy. When he reach certain hours and the youth there and his friend have to go back home to feed them parents. Now we start bawling, saying one fret no cause he know say I man he Duppy there active. So he say one night he lie down pan him back in there. A bun ganja. And a man face just come over for him face and say, my house! Then he hear whole heap of voice and say, my house! Who your house? He say jump up now cause I say, I must blood cleat weed. So he say go out the door and wash off his face. And then he sleep in the night. He go down with our friend when he in Bali. Then tell the Bali a little boy too. And sleep over Bali in the yard. So the next day now, he go up there. Cause he's sober now, you know. So I say, alright, if I did the ganja at night, we are see how he go tonight. Cause I say, anyway I see them at daytime. Cause he not sleep in the yard again. He must sleep up there. So he did sleep you know. Somebody dragging his foot. Furious! Furious! And you see man just walk around. I went one old table that was full of beer where body did not place turn down and disappear. So he said no, it's serious now. So he said still stubborn and still asleep up there, you know. Till one night in dream see beer coffin, beer different color like they must say alright pussy. I wish I had that color you want, cause what's that up there pa?
Right neighbor.
Yo, you know what say? My grandfather know that a Michael father dream Dimple and say, Dimple, better you take him on from up there, you know. Give him 2 lick, yes, but take him from up there. Cause me alone can't fight 11 people. Bombard!
Level?
The man say, him alone, I hold them off from when? Him alone can't fight 11 people. And them man there did all top gore when they did live in them man there be all rusty gun them dog did bad man and them a say, ooh, Dimple, give him 2 lick, you know. But take him from the car, me alone can't fight 11 people. Yeah, brother.
Right.
And I saw Dimple walk right, go up with my eye for days and just drag him out from up there. She said she never bother beat him too, she glad. He tell me say, my man even did bother beat him too, she glad. To actually get him back. Cause after days, she up there and I hunt him.
Not like I lick man. Until them start a war boy you.
You see me, I'm brother, my grandfather tell him say him alone cannot fight 11 people. And he can't hold them off no more. Cause him make they not kill him from long. Cause when the man go over Michael face and say, my house, then everybody starts saying, feel your house. Michael, so when his friend then come link him and I go at evening time, he heart weep cause I say, oh God man, this is certain was I know Simon alone are up there. All because a piece of liver, you know. The man thief some liver, you know them time they are disciplined days. Liquor run for every farmer in discipline. You know, this is a piece of liver, you don't take no lick for. I run away. Run gone up in the hills up a guy's hill bush. Even up till now, some part of the community don't get light. For sure, yo. Duppy response you up there so completely.
Yeah, guys, Duppy pull up guys.
You know, live up.
Miggle day Duppy a pass you.